Here we are in Cwm. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous path leading up to what will hopefully be the reservoir. So this gives us a little bit of idea where all the mountains are in relation here. So Cwm is that lake just over there. We've got a lovely waterfall, streams, it's gorgeous. So, thoughts on the new GoPro? I'm absolutely loving it at the moment. I think it's fantastic. No problems as of yet. Of course, this is the first sort of test footage I'm doing. As you can see, we're very, very close to the cloud layer, so it's just started spitting with rain, but that's okay. That's all right. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Right up there is a place called the Devil's Kitchen, and it's somewhere where I've been wanting to go for a long time, but we're not going to do it today because it's snowy and I don't have the right kit. You know, jeans and some walking boots without crampons, so that's for another day. Just wanted to point it out to you guys. Got some little stepping stones coming up now, which is very, very cute actually. Across a nice little river which goes all the way into the lake.